you doing? Oh. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Oh, you got it. Oh, you dropped it. What's with the look? You're silly. You're silly giving me that look. Olivia? Hey. Are you baking a cake? You baking a cake? What? What are you staring at me for, silly girl? Bake a cake. Pour some tea. We'll have tea and cake. What's with the lip? What's with the tucking the lower lip in? Is that your new thing? That poor flower always takes a beating, eh? What are we going to have for lunch? Oh, what was that? Oh, you've got your deep in thought look on your face. Ooh. Get your tongue in your head, silly. You look tired. You sleepy? Bake a cake. Bake a cake for us. There's the pieces of the cake. Put it together. Bake it. Not that, silly girl. The cake. Olivia, hey! Bake the cake. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Bake it and we'll have coffee and tea and cake. Got your deep in thought. Oh! Your phone's ringing. Go get your cell phone. Your phone was ringing. Voicemail? Yeah, go to voicemail. Oh, call Grandma. The phone told you to call Grandma. You look tired. You getting sleepy? Bye-bye. Adios. Au revoir. That's the piece of the part of the cake. Put it on the tray. Make the cake. It's upside down. Oh. Put it on the cake base, the yellow cake base there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're starting to get a lazy eye. When you get a lazy eye, it's because you're sleepy. You want to go have a nap? Bake the cake. Oh, deep in thought look on your face. Oh, she's thinking. That was the kitty. Where'd the kitty go? Where did that kitty go? Finish baking your cake. I don't think that part comes off. Yeah, you got it up right now. Now put it on the tray, the yellow tray there. You gotta bake the cake first. Oh! Okay, Boo, what do you say? We go get some lunch? You want to go get some lunch? Yeah? Oh my goodness. Holy Moses! What's all that? You want to go get some lunch, Liv? Livy! Olivia! Do you want to go get some lunch? You look tired. Let's go get some lunch and then we'll have a snooze. Okay, let's go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. What's the open mouth? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you're going to give that to me? Oh, you threw it. Say bye-bye. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Oh, it's gone. It's on the floor, along with all the other things you threw on the floor. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're silly. What's with the mouth open? Say bye-bye. Olivia. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.